Finding a solution that meets the demands of today as well as the future is now possible. Zebra's Android mobile computers deliver a performance advantage straight out of the box. Each device is preloaded with enterprise-ready applications, so there's minimal setup or configuration required. And because they ship ready for use, you can get to see immediate improvement to worker productivity and efficiency. Simply power up the device and see how easy and intuitive it is to use. Not only are the devices easy to use, but they're also easy to stage and deploy. Stage Now is a mobility DNA software tool that enables staging and setup of your device by simply scanning a barcode. Stage a handful or thousands of devices. And with the preloaded all-touch terminal emulation app, you can transform your green screens into fully interactive graphic screens that enhance the user experience. Zebra Android mobile devices are built for the warehouse, maximizing productivity, minimizing downtime, and ensuring your workers are empowered to excel right from the start.